If you are looking for the best microwave popcorn popper, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, Most Popular. Original Salbree Microwave Popcorn Popper. Apart from giving you delicious popcorn, it's cheaper compared to buying them from the supermarket. It has a collapsible design that makes it portable in case you want to move it from one place to another. When folded, it helps you save on space, and you can easily place it in the cabinet or drawer. Most students prefer it due to its space-saving nature. This has built-in handles that are accessible, thus making it easy to remove it from the microwave even when hot. Apart from giving you delicious and tasty popcorn, it's also easy to use. Number 2. The original Hotpop Microwave Popcorn Popper. This is the ultimate microwave popcorn popper with some great characteristics. It easily pops up kernels in under 4 minutes. At the same time, the capacity is huge and the popper can make more than 15 cups of fresh popcorn. You get a 100% satisfaction guarantee with this product, and, moreover, you can use it at home, or at your office, or whenever you have a wish for good popcorn. It also has collapsible property, so you can fold it from 5.7 to 2.4 for easy storage. Number 3. Ecolution Original Microwave Micro Pop Popcorn Popper. This Ecolution has been proved to be an excellent choice for those looking for the best way of getting healthy popcorn. The whole process of making popcorn doesn't need oil, thus making it healthier and easier to clean and maintain, unlike other competitive brands. It's made with borosilicate materials, unlike other brands made of silicone. The borosilicate material allows the popcorn to easily circulate during the popping process. It's uniquely constructed to ensure easy and even air circulation during the popping process. Number 4. The original Popco Silicone Microwave Popcorn Popper. The original silicone microwave popcorn popper by Popco is uniquely designed to perfectly satisfy your snack needs. It has a uniform distribution of heat during the popping process that ensures that all the kernels are popped to give you delicious popcorn. Its construction material being toxin-free, they also have high heat resistance that makes it microwave safe. This Popco-made popper has a collapsible design that makes it easy to store in the cabinet or drawer after usage. Besides, it can be washed by both hands and the dishwasher. Number 5. Lekue Microwave Popcorn Popper. https://www.topbestproreview.com Top 10 Best Microwave Popcorn Makers. If you want to enjoy great homemade popcorn, this microwave popcorn maker by Lekue will ensure health results for you. It uses no popping bags, providing a healthy way of making your delicacy at home. It prepares your corns in a matter of minutes, around 2. You will make great popcorns enough for your family and friends since it has a great capacity for that matter. Moreover, it is easy to store this product since it has an easy-to-handle and collapsible design. It is also simple to wash in the dishwasher or by hand. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.